Hey guys, and welcome to another video. How is everybody? I'm here at the place where Istanbul's heart beats the fastest. But to be honest, when I arrived here, I felt a little bit bizarre because this place used to be the Ali Sami Yen Stadium where Galatasaray, one of Turkey's biggest football clubs, and also former UEFA champion, used to play for years. With the relocation of the stadium from the center of the city, where millions of fans witnessed unforgettable moments in football history, an unprecedented area was opened at this place. And at this place, Torun Center stepped up with the signature of Torunlar REIC, one of Turkey's giant real estate investment companies. As you can see, there are three high towers that are shifted from each other towards the south wing. The building you see right behind me is the office tower. Look at it. The most famous brands in the world, such as Samsung Turkey and MEF Fire Insurance and a lot more, are in this tower, guys. The tower next to it is the home office tower. However, the inside of the building is not finished yet. But when it's completed, this place is an amazing place that you can use as an office or home office. The last one is the residence tower, located behind me, right behind the office tower, guys. The architect of these magnificent buildings is Emre Arolat. Arolat has made an excellent building tropism here. It literally looks like plants facing towards the sun. So majestic. These three giant towers are in Şişli Mecidiyeköy, as I said, the heart of Istanbul. And right behind me on the top, you see the E5, guys. And on the bottom, you'll see the Büyükdere Street. So we can say that these two roads are basically the most important main arteries of Istanbul. This place is also within walking distance of the first Bosporus Bridge, also known as the July 15th Martyrs Bridge. You have Şişli on one side, Beşiktaş on the other side, Levent is also pretty close, and Taksim a little ahead. Believe me when I tell you that it is impossible to find a better location for such a project in Istanbul. At the same time, this is the only place in Istanbul where you can reach the metro, metrobus, and bus within 100 meters. This is an important advantage for office workers who want to use public transport or anyone who wants to save time. Let's be honest, if you live here, you're a rich person according to Turkey standards, and if you're rich, shopping should be important to you. That's why this area offers you great shopping opportunities. Zorlu Center, Turkey's international shopping mall, is only 1 kilometer away. Cevahir Mall is only 500 meters away. This place is just a few minutes away from Trump Tower, Nişantaşı cities, Astoria, Metro City, Özdilek, and Canyon Mall. Let's say you don't want to spend time outside. There are 7 different restaurants in 7 different concepts under this project. We have a globally famous brand here. Right there, there's a Starbucks. Should I get a coffee? I am craving for a nice latte. Come with me, we'll go. It's not limited to that though. This is a terrific place for performing arts too. The office block is just perfect for this. In fact, the Istanbul State Theater is right under this tower. This place is literally an art and culture center. The lower and middle floors of the 36-story office block have a gross area of 1,500 square meters. As you go to the upper floors, this figure drops to 900 square meters of gross area. Now look at this place. Here you have great options where you can perform your free working style in both terrace and garden offices. Isn't that great? All of the ceiling heights are 5 meters. Among the guests of this magnificent place are the world-famous Google partner and Turkey's most important doctors. There's even a hair transplant center here. And this right here is the residential tower of Torun Center. In this 42-floor building, there are wonderful residence apartments ranging from 1+1 to 6+1, from 102 square meters to 505 square meters. This place has 5-star hotel service. I won't say their names, but very famous football players and very famous artists live here. This is the first tower project built with a family concept without a studio flat. That's why this place is the apple of the eye of Torunlar REIC. Now I'm going to show you an amazing example apartment and a few vacant residences. Are you ready? Let's go inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. All doors open for you here. Ain't that great? And right now, we're in the lobby. It's a very spacious area, guys. Let's say you've been shopping for a while and now you got some heavy bags in your hand. You don't have to carry them by yourself. You can benefit from the bellboy service of Torun Center right here. Isn't that great? Or if you want to rest for a while, you can come to this resting area, chill for a moment, and enjoy our social media videos. Or if you say, no, I want to go home as soon as possible, then follow me. Now we're on the floor with a sample apartment in this beautiful tower with a total of 240 apartments. Frankly, I'm excited. But hey, even the entrance has a great view. I'm gonna show you. Right there. Look at it. All right, you got it? Now I wanna show you the inside. Let's open the door. Okay, here we are. Do you want me to be honest, guys? As soon as I entered the building, I immediately fell in love with the view. That's why I'm throwing myself on the balcony right now. Istanbul looks amazing from here. Look at this. From Sultanahmet to the Princess Islands, to Golden Horn, to Taksim, the Maiden's Tower, to the first Bosporus Bridge, Istanbul is literally under your feet. Wherever you look, the beauty of this magical city literally draws you in. It is poetry in motion. This apartment has 226 square meters of gross usage and 133 square meters of net use. It is controlled by a smart system panel, which is over there. From the light to the air conditioner, everything is controlled with the push of a single button. The air conditioner is on top of us right there. And for heating, we have a radiator here and there. But if that's not enough, guys, we have a fireplace, baby. It's over there. Boom! Light it up and enjoy your time, all right? And right here, we have excellent first-class wooden laminate flooring. Ain't that great? Okay, so there's a great kitchen in this house as well, of course, and as you can see, every room has a Bosporus view. And when we first look at this room, we'll see a wonderful Neolith counter that immediately attracts our attention. This material from Spain is fire and scratch proof. The brand of the cabinets are Sanidero and very high quality. You can feel its quality just by touching it. Built-ins are by Miele, a famous German brand. The microwave right here, the dishwasher underneath it, as you can see. Right next to it, the refrigerator, also by Miele. And here we have the oven. Everything here is the same brand, high quality, as you can imagine. And the floor is marble, guys. Look at the floor. Okay. Let's move on since there's so much more to show. For instance, here we have a shared bathroom, guys. Take a look. The bathroom wall and floor are also marble. The counter is the same. The bathroom cabinet is walnut veneered and brass. These decorative panels behind the toilet are also walnut veneered. Oh, look, there's a bedroom. Guys, for a 2+1 apartment, this room is pretty big. It has its own closet and again, a view that is out of this world. You can sit here on your chair, read a book, and enjoy the view. Oh, that's the other way around. And last but not least, here we have the master bedroom. Like every part of the house, this place is gorgeous. There's a lot to be said, but I think the view says enough. Let's walk around a little bit more though. I want to show you something. Come with me. Look, there's a pretty handy dressing room over here. In almost all new projects, you'll see this type of dressing room, guys. Let's move on. There's an ensuite bathroom right here, and it's great for couples because it has 2 sinks. Isn't that spectacular? Let me wash my hands. Okay, let's get out of here. In fact, the night view of this place would be amazing, wouldn't it? Take a look at the beauty of Istanbul. The view is exceptional. Let me tell you something. Let's say you don't buy this residence, but a residence without a balcony or a city view with a lower budget. Don't be sad, because the Bosporus view is always available for you thanks to these excellent lounges. You can take advantage of the summer or winter lounges at any time, entertain your guests here, and even your children can enjoy a game in this beautiful room while you take care of your guests. You can enjoy the pool during the day or spend some time at the gym and do your workouts. There are really many different options here. There are great options from 1+1 to 4+1 with island kitchens or 6+1 residences of 574 square meters with magnificent views. I think those who have money to both invest and live should not even think for a second. The best part is you never grow old here. If you want to invest in this project where luxury and prestige are blended in the heart of Istanbul, call us to take advantage of our exclusive Investo Global discount. Or at least we'll have a good day together.